is Introduction to Quadratic Equations. So what are quadratic equations? Quadratic equations are basically the equations which are second degree or second order. Means the equation will have the maximum power 2 of the variable involved in it. That is, 2 will be the highest exponent of the variable involved in that equation. The standard form of the quadratic equation in one variable is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c, the coefficients of x square, x and the constant respectively, are real numbers, and the coefficient of x square must not be equal to 0. If it becomes 0, it means the term ax square is equal to 0 will be eliminated, and the remaining equation, that is bx plus c, is equal to 0 will be a linear equation. So for the standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the coefficient of x square must be a non-zero number. We see some examples. Let us have this one: 3x square plus 5x plus 8 is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is 3, which is a. The coefficient of x is 5, that is b. And the coefficient of the constant number itself is 8, that is c. Let us see another example. It's 5x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here a is 5, b is 2 and c is minus 3. Negative 3 is the notable point here. Let us have another example. Here you can see we have no term involving x square, but if you multiply the brackets 2x plus 7 into 3x minus 7 plus 2 and then simplify this all, we get 6x square plus 7x minus 47 is equal to 0. Here in this equation you can see that a is 6, the coefficient of x square, b is 7, the coefficient of x, and c is negative 47, the constant term free from x. Then we see another example to make it more clear to us. It is 3x plus 1 over 2x minus 3 equals 5x minus 4 over 2x plus 5. In this equation you can also see there is no term involving x square. So, but if you cross multiply this, that is 3x plus 1 with 2x plus 5 and 5x minus 4 with 2x minus 3, we get 4x square minus 40x plus 7 is equal to 0 after simplification. And here a is 4, b is minus 40 and c is 7. Now solution of quadratic equations. What does solution of an equation mean? The solution of an equation means to find the value of the variable involved in the equation for which the equation is true. For example, we have an equation x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. For this equation to be true, the value of x is 1 or the value of x is 2. It means for x equals 1, when you put the value of x equals 1 in the equation, we get it also equal to 0. And the right side of the equation is already 0. It means this equation is true for x equals 1. And again for x equals 2, we get the right side equal to 0 and the left side equals 0. Both the sides are 0 and it means they are same. So the equation is also true for x equals 2. So 1 and 2 are the solutions of this equation. But how we solve the quadratic equation? How we found that x equals 1 and x equals 2 in this question are true for this equation. For this purpose, the solution of quadratic equations is calculated or found using three methods. Number one, factorization method. Number two, completing square method. Number three, by quadratic formula. We shall discuss these methods one by one in our upcoming lessons. Till then, thank you very much for watching this video, and in our next lesson we will study how to solve the quadratic equation using